Hi Joe, I will start collecting information about Hilumz in Hilumz spreadsheet, about lumens, watts, color temp, spec sheets, links, and pictures. About lumens and watts, I think I'm already done with the lumens and watts. Color temp, about the color temp, I want to know where should I put that color temp in this spreadsheet, in the Hilumz spreadsheet. Size, family, DN, control, rebate. Okay. Please advise me, where should I put the color temp here in the spreadsheet of Hilumz? Also, spec sheet links and pictures. I watched your shared videos in YouTube, and I thought I will get the pictures here in the QPL site. But I asked Hazel, and Hazel reminded me that Hilumz task is same with spin task. Spin task, spec sheet. When getting spec sheet, we need to go to their site, so I need to go to Hilumz website. Let me know if this is the legit website of Hilumz. Products S44 S22 DIM60. I think this is the photo of DIM60 Hilumz, so I should get this one. Photo, pictures, spec sheet links. About the spec sheet links, database. I just want to know if this is the spec sheet of Hilumz DM60. Okay. Also, I think spec sheet. I will extend here as for spec sheet. I'll put the link here. I need your advice if I do it right. Thanks.